Welcome to today's video, Needle Felted Pineapple. And welcome to today's video, Needle Felted Pineapple. My name is Iceland, and on this channel, Snowflake Forest Felting, I share needle felting tutorials, have needle felting videos like this one, and share product reviews from time to time. So if you're new and this interests you, please consider subscribing. And if you want to know more about anything you see here on this channel, be sure and check the links down in the description below this video or leave a comment. I'd love to connect with you there. If you're wanting to learn step-by-step how to make this felted pineapple, I have a tutorial and I'll link that video down in the description below and the iCard above, and you can learn more there. If you have been watching my felting videos since I started this channel, then you know that this type of video is how I started making my felting videos. I like to think of these videos more of a type of ASMR type video because for some, watching the creation come to life to music can be soothing and satisfying. I personally feel like it's a faster way to learn how to create the item if you already have somewhat of an idea how to needle felt. I have had mixed comments on this type of video, so let me know, do you like it or dislike it down in the comments below. I truly want to help you learn how to felt and will be continuing to upload felting tutorials. And if you have any questions about felting, be sure and drop them down in the comments below too. Now let's get into this video. today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please be sure and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. And if there's something you want to see me felt next, leave it down in the comments below. I might just make it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!